Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you once again from diygenesis, and we're still talking about the Magazine Pro theme, but I really wanted to take us back a little bit further to show how we can begin a project. Now, a lot of times people struggle with colors. They're like, oh my God, what do I do with colors? I don't know what kind of colors to pick. I don't know what colors I should be looking at. Well, I'm gonna actually show you a little bit of my secret sauce and how I actually go about choosing colors for a client project. So this is one of my go-to spots here. This is at color.adobe.com. I love this site. I love going here. It is excellent for trying to figure out what kind of colors you want to use. I'm really into fitness, so let's just go in here for a second and just kind of explore a little bit. So let's just go in and type in the word fitness and see what comes back. So as you can see, a whole host of colors come back to you immediately from just doing that simple search. I use this tool all the time to kind of get me in the ballpark. I may do a little tweaking just to kind of see if I tweak a color a little bit more, but oftentimes when I come here, this is exactly what I need. This is where I want to go. And so I'm like, okay, you know what? I think I'm going to do this just this way. So let's figure out what we want to get. I like this picture right here with the son and the dad, and they're working out. So I like that color. So you can click on this and you can kind of see the hex values, and you can click on copy to copy those hex values. And then of course, when we copy those hex values, we can now take those colors into our Photoshop or Illustrator or write directly into our theme and immediately be effective at being able to create the colors for what we want to do. So in my next video, I'm going to show you what to do with these colors and how we can start building out a fitness website just with simple, clean colors and just what we see here with this color palette. So guys, I hope this information has been valuable for you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, please hit that notification bell, and you'll be updated with every new video that we're coming out with. And I just wanted to give you guys a taste of what's to come. So until next time, guys, this is Q coming to you from diygenesis.